Okay, face and brows and all that are done. Going in with the Alyssa Edwards palette into the bright pink shade. And I'm keeping it only on the inner half of my crease. I'm going to put a darker color on the outer half. I'm just using a fluffy brush and kind of building it up, even though I don't have to that much. And then I'm taking the blue shade, which I also don't know the name of because I just don't pay attention, and keeping it on the outer half and packing it, blending it, all of that, blending it with the pink, taking a clean brush and then kind of running it along the crease to make sure that's not harsh right there. And then once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm taking my concealer on an itty bitty concealer brush from e.l.f. and making it a cut crease shape in my crease on my lid, but I'm not putting it on the actual eyelid. I'm just kind of making a thick line in my crease of concealer. And this brush is still one of the best brushes I feel like for cut creases. It's so tiny and like you can get really detailed with it. I love it and I probably won't use anything else. I have 10 of them. And then I'm taking the yellow shade and I'm going to pack it on where I put the concealer with a flat brush. And it's matte, so I'm using it dry. You don't want to wet matte shades that can ruin them or make them not apply how they're supposed to. And then I put concealer on my eyelid in the same shape as I did in my crease. I just was in frame the entire time, so I covered up. And then I'm taking the shimmery pink shade and packing it all over the concealer on my lid. And, you know, being out of frame, like always. Thought it was getting better, but I guess not. And show me how it looks, making some weird faces like I always do. And then just putting a thin line of some black liner. This is from NYX. I think it's the matte liner. Putting some Stila Huge mascara on. And then taking this BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. I'm taking the yellow shade, or it doesn't look yellow, but you know, it's yellow. Putting it on the inner corner and my brow bone. And then, what am I doing next? Like, I'll wait until I catch up. And then, real quick, I'm contouring because I forgot to do that before I put my eyeshadow on. And so I figured I'd just keep it in so you can see how I actually do it since it's always cut out. I always usually do it before my eyeshadow. And I use the NYX Biceps to Sculpt palette in the shade Fair for contouring every day. It's like the perfect pale dead girl shade for me, and I love it. And then whenever I want it, I just kind of take a big old powder brush and blend it out. And then now I'm taking the same highlighter, putting it on my nose, cupid's bow, and cheekbones. And before I started applying it to my face, I sprayed some setting spray on before and let it dry a little bit, just so it kind of has more of a wet base to stick to, but it's not going to be like stick a lot. In some places, just be like, whoa, straight line of highlight. Then I'm taking Posh Spice liquid lipstick, putting it on, those lashes. I wasn't in frame, so I cut out while I was applying it. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Watch all my other videos, subscribe, and follow me on social media.